Alrighty, out here on the farm, taking some water over, taking the third jug over to the pigs, trying to get them some refreshment in this hot ass day. So let's do it. So out here with the pigs, got more water, and let's get. Some water playing. Let's go see how they like to get splashed on. They kind of like it. They're getting used to it. But I ain't let my pigs go hot. So, woo. He's pissed. Oh, pah, pah. Oh, yucky. God, stop wiping on me. What a farm, huh? Now, feeding the cats. Kitty, kitty, kitty! Oh, you're sweating. The pigs don't sweat, so and I ain't no pig. You beat your ass for that shit. So, this is what it's like. Life on a farm.